हेलो गाइस। आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं लॉजिक गेट एक्सपेरिमेंट। एज यू सी इन मैनुअल, फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट नॉट गेट। सो फॉर नॉट गेट वी apply 1 to this and output of this terminal is connect to this, and you see at 1 output is 0, then when we put 1 then output is 0, and then when 0 this is 1. So here our NOT gate is verified. Now we will move towards OR gate. For OR gate we need two input terminal, so we choose these two terminals and this is your OR gate. And now output terminal connect to this, and for 0 0 0 0 this is 0, and for 1 0 this is 0, and this for 0 1 this is 1, and for 1 1 this is also 1. So now OR gate is also verified, and now we will move towards NOR gate. NOR gate combination is something like that. We need two input terminal and connect to the, first we will connect OR gate, and then this or first OR gate, and then connect to the NOT gate. Its output connected to this terminal. Then we see that for NOR gate 0 0 0 0 1, okay. For 0 1 0 means 0 and 0 and 1 means 0, okay. 1 and 0 is also 0. Now 1 1 is also 0. So your NOR gate is also verified. Now we will move towards AND gate. For AND gate we also use two input terminal, and two input terminal, this is your AND gate, and now connect to the output. Then we see at 0 0 at 0 and 0 this is 0, at 0 and 1 this is 0, at 1 and 0 this is 0. Only at 1 and 1 this output we will get, okay. So now AND gate is also verified. Now we will move towards NAND gate. For NAND gate there is also be two inputs. So first we will connect to AND gate, then AND gate connect to the NOT gate. NOT gate's output is like that, okay. Now we will see table. At 0 0 this is 1, so at 0 0 this is 1, okay. At 0 1 this is 1, at 0 1 this is 1, okay. At 1 0 this is 1, at 1 and 1 and 1 this is 0. So now no NAND gate also be verified, okay. Now we will move towards the exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate is also be two terminal, something like that. This is also known as exclusive OR gate, and there is two input terminal and connect to the output. So now you can see at 0 0 at 0 0 this is 0, at 0 1 this is 1, 0 1 this is 1, and 1 0 at 1 0 this is 1, but at 1 1 this is 0, so 1 1 this is 0. So now exclusive OR gate also we verified. Now we will move towards the exclusive NOR gate. So for NOR gate, first we will connect OR gate and its output connect to the NOT gate. Exclusive NOR gate. Okay, so you can see at 0 0, at 0 0 this is 1, this at 0 0 this is 1, and now at 0 1 0, तो 0 1 पर आपको 0 मिलेगा एंड 1 0 पर आपको 0 मिलेगा, बट एट लास्ट 1 1 1 1 this will be make 1. So your exclusive NOR gate also be verified. So this is your all over 4 logic gates will be verified by this experiment. Thank you.